All right, so we're back into Fusion 360 here, and a couple of things I want to show you before we even start. First, you'll notice that my Cam Strategies demo folder is loaded up with these 11 drawings or part files we got from Autodesk Inventor. Inventor and Fusion play pretty nicely together, so we shouldn't have a problem with this. I'm going to open this block right here, and the first thing you should notice is that the interface at the top does not look like the one that you used earlier in the year. That is because they have made a change. First thing you're going to do is come over to your name, click Preferences, come over to Preview, and click UI Preview. The preview, the user interface that you know of from before is going to change eventually to this. So we might as well start using it and getting ready for it. All my videos will have this in it now. So that's how you change your computer to match my computer. So I have this part. It's just a block. It's nothing spectacular. There isn't even a hole cut in it or anything. But that's okay because we can still use this as an example for starting a machine setup. Normally you're using this right here. You're creating something, you're sketching, you're cutting holes in things, you're filleting corners, you're doing all these kind of things. Now it's time to start thinking about having a machine cut this out. So I'm going to come to my design tab, and instead of designing something, I'm going to manufacture. So I'm going to come to manufacture here. You should notice that all the things at the top change, and you may or may not know what those things are yet. That's okay. We're going to go through most of them, not all of them, but most of them we will go through. Um, your units, check and make sure that they're in inches, and we'll get ready to go and machine this part. The first thing that you have to do every single time you machine a part is do a setup. And basically what you're doing is you're telling the machine, I click that, is you're going to tell the machine where is your 0, 0, 0 on the coordinate system going to be, and how big is your piece of material, and that's basically it for your setup. How big it is and where that 0 point will be on it. The default is not how you see mine. The default is, I believe, something looks like this. So when you get this, first thing you're going to do is I like to work left to right. I go left all the way down, right, and then the next tab all the way down, and the next tab all the way down, and so on and so forth. The different operations have different tabs in their dialog boxes. So first thing is our work coordinate system. I want to stick it over here in this corner. Oh, I'm going to click that, and that's about it. If for some strange reason you need to reselect axes, you can do that. I don't recommend that, but if you needed to, you could do that. I'm just going to go back to model orientation. Stock. Relative size box is okay. Under stock offset mode, I'm going to come down and click no additional stock. For all of the things that we're going to make in this unit, no additional stock is fine. Here's the size of the block that was modeled. Post processor. Once you get this how you like it, no additional stock, and your WCS in the corner over here, come over here, right click, and choose make all default. What that'll do is it'll make it so that every time you set this up, you go and do a new setup, it will automatically choose this corner, and it will no longer add stock to the top and bottom of your box. So that's it for this video. We have a setup now. So if I went and simulated this, oh, I don't have a toolpath, I can't simulate yet. I'll show you simulation in the next video. Now what I have is a location that my tool is going to be touching off as its 0 point. So that'll end it for now, and I'll pick it up in just a moment, and we'll talk about facing a piece of material.